Hey everybody, Brandon Vigliarolo here for TechRepublic, and today I'm going to show you how to make the switch from Internet Explorer to Microsoft Edge. Microsoft just announced that the official end of life for Internet Explorer for most people is going to be June 15th of 2022. So you've got a little more than a year to decide to finally break up with IE, which has been a long time coming, and I'm sure no one's that broken up about it, especially when you realize that Edge, if you use it as opposed to another browser, is actually not a bad browser. It's Chrome-based, it's Chromium-based, so it feels a lot like Google Chrome, and it's got a lot of built-in safety features and a better browsing experience that make it just a modern browser that Internet Explorer simply cannot catch up to. So the process is pretty simple, and Microsoft has a really thorough page on how to do it, and also reasons why it's a better browser. So I'm going to cover two things with you here today. I'm going to cover how to import all your favorites, passwords, and browser data, and then how to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser if it isn't set that way already. So here I've got Internet Explorer 11 opened up, and you're not actually going to need to do anything here. If IE isn't open, you don't even need to open it. Just go over and open Edge, which I already have open right here. You know, if you don't have it open, you can open the Start menu and find it here, or type in the search area, type Edge, and it'll bring it up. So here we are with Edge open. The process here is pretty simple. Click on the three dots right here to open the menu. Go down to Settings, and it should open up the Settings page, which defaults to your Profiles screen. And then over here by Import Browser Data, click that, and another little pop-up will open, and you'll see all these settings here that you can choose to import. Now, in this case, it's defaulting to Google Chrome because that's my default browser on this PC, but I'm going to switch over to Internet Explorer, and you can see it's got the same things here. So you can choose what you want to import, browsing history, cookies, all that stuff, whether you want it or not, search engine settings, all those things. And if you want to remove something, you can just deselect it here or check it to keep it in place. One thing to note, and you'll notice the yellow exclamation point here, previously imported passwords for the same sites will be overwritten. So just be aware that if you overwrite passwords from IE that are less current than the ones you have in Edge, if you've been using it, you might lose out on some stored passwords or have to update them later on. Once you've chosen what you want to set, just click on Import. You'll get another pop-up here saying all done. We've brought your browser data over. Depending on how much data you have in IE, that might take a bit longer than I had here, but I really don't use IE, so it was pretty much fast and just moving over default settings. Click done, and that's that. Now, to change your default browser, just a couple more steps beyond this. Go over to the Start menu, look for Settings, which is the gear right there. Click on Settings. Okay, so here we are. Go down to Apps, and then Default Apps. And you just go down, find Web Browser, click on that, and it'll show you all the web browsers you have installed, and you can just click on Microsoft Edge right there. And when you do that, it'll be set. So in this case, I'm just going to click on Edge really quick. And that's it. It's instantaneous. So you don't even have to OK anything or click OK, click Save or whatever. It just changes it and you're done. So pretty simple process all in all. Not like the olden days where you had to download your bookmarks as an HTML file and re-import them. It's all browsers talk to each other. Simple, 1, 2, hit a couple buttons and you're done. All right, for TechRepublic, I'm Brandon Vigliarolo. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks just like this one.